Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can capitalize the first letter of each word in Microsoft Excel. So let's go quick into the process. Open your Microsoft Excel and I have prepared an example for you. So we have these words which has the small letter in the beginning of each word. So how can we make this capital? The capital of the word. Okay, so how can we make that the letter that is in the beginning of each word is in capital letter? Okay, so it's just very easy. We just have to do a trick from here. Okay, so we have here the first word yellow. So on the right cell, on the right pane, the cell on the right pane, we just have to simply write or type yellow that is in the beginning, which is capital letter. So let's type capital letter YELLOW. But we are not going to do the same because we're not going to do the same for the rest of the words like orange, blue, and green, because we are going to make a trick from here. So using this word, which is the same thing from here, yellow, and then we are going to, or you have this capital letter, which is Y. Now press Control. So click on the cell, the one that is in a capital letter in the beginning of the word, and press Control. Control CTRL key, Control key. And then press Control and Enter key. Okay, Control and Enter key, and then letter E as in eagle together. Control plus Enter plus letter E as in eagle together. And that's it. You have just transformed the first letter of each word into capital letter. So you just have to simply press Control plus Enter plus E. Okay? So it's the shortcut, Control plus Enter plus E, and you will do the same from here, okay? And I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.